Well, good evening. It is February the 2nd on a Tuesday night. Andreas and I are just about ready to be done with everything. We've got most of the things done for the Bestioni. We've been trimming hoods and fitting and making sure that there's enough space for all of the paint on the edges and that so they don't chip off. That's a very distressing thing when that happens. So anyway, we'll just give you a little run through of what we've been doing. The headlights obviously are off of it, and one of the paws, we're getting ready to paint and to prime and do all the things on it. So now it's fitting, and just to show you kind of what it looks like. First of all, say hello, Andreas.
Hi, everybody.
And hello for me. So anyway, it's basically fitted, and you can see where we're at on this here. In fact, let me turn this over to Andreas. He's the good super guy on cameras and for showing you pictures and everything. And I want to point out some of the things. We have, these are access buttons. This is for the siren. This is for the horns. This is for the klaxon horn. Okay, rear view mirror. All of this is all set up. It's all coming along, you can see. We fitted the Brooklyn racing screens on it, the mirrors, and just about everything. It's, we're fitting it and making all these lines. All these lines here have to have enough space between them so the paint can go on, prime and paint. And so when you use it and open it up and down, it doesn't bust all the chips off of it on the edges and things like that. So these are things you hardly think about, but you do before you paint it. So just to give you a little rough idea of what we're doing. And all of these lines now are fitted. So they'll fill in a little bit, but will not crack. All this has got to be retied and fitted and everything. I'll show you some interesting things that I particularly like. For instance, take a look at the dashboard. We've got most of the stuff on just so you can see what the hell it is. Speedometer, tachometers, all the switches, the center console. These are all wonderful pieces that are very exciting for us. It's the bling bling. We're the kings of bling. And, we have, this is the step here, plus it's our seat. We have two of them. Obviously, they're not all on, but this will all be red now. Take a look at all this. This is a lot of fun, but it's a heck of a lot of work. And we'll find some more things that we want to do, and then we'll get Bill Marigold in, who's the king of pinstriping. Don't let anybody fool you on that. He is unbelievable. He does all the cars that we've done, and he is fantastic. These are items that we may use, or we may use it on the next build or this one, just depending on the fitting. Now we're going to change the ones of these and put these onto the Batmobile because they're black and you can no longer just get them in brass. So the ones on the Batmobile are brass, but the Batmobile is black. So we're going to switch them and then pinstripe them and do a few little things like that. But these are all just items that we collect and we're able to use to make it look that much cooler. And John D'Agostino, we've won several of his awards, which are just absolutely fantastic. A fantastic guy, I might add. And we've been to one show this year, and we had the, what car did we have?
Wide job.
Oh, the wide job. Oh, I remember the wide job. It's coming home now. Anyhow, we had it at Malibu. There were about 300 cars, and we got the special award, Best of Show. John D'Agostino flew in for it, and I mean, it's unbelievable. Beautiful, beautiful award. You can start seeing all the details that we're getting here. This part is completely done in the back. Well, when we say completely done, at least the pieces are chunked on it, and we've got a way to go. And couple little interesting things. If you notice these on both sides, what these are the automatic oilers for the chain. Andres came up with these, and this is what we've got on them. And all the little bits and the pieces and the A lot of wonderful things. Now take a look at the dashboard from this side. You see we've got everything you can imagine. And there's still a few things. We're waiting for a trafficator switch and a few other little things like that. And they'll soon be here, we hope. I get about 2/3 of the things that I order online. The rest of them get stolen. So that's kind of a pain in the ass, but that's the way it goes. Anyhow, just to be able to show you what we're doing, and I'm going to start on the priming tomorrow and the next day if it's in the 70s, and we're going to get it done, and you'll see it soon. Have fun. Thank you for checking in with us.